Hi, good morning. This is our first DI class. It is April the 7th. Nope, April the 6th, Monday. Sorry. Hope everybody's doing well. I miss seeing you guys. And I hope that we're going to be back together real soon. So I'm just going to run through the lesson like we would normally do in small group. And I'm going to try to project some things onto the screen, and hopefully you'll be able to see them since you don't have the pieces of paper in front of you. So let's sing our ABCs. The ABCs are the letters that we use to read and write. Watch my mouth and sing with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, good job. All right, now we're going to say the ABCs. Watch my mouth. I'll say the letter and then you say it after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now we're going to look at the shapes of the ABCs. I'm going to share a screen with you. Hopefully this will look familiar from class. And let me get my tools set up really quick. Okay. So there are two shapes for each letter. I'll say the name and then I'm going to check mark the shape. And then I would like you to say the name and maybe touch your computer screen. Or if you would like to make your own alphabet pointing grid, you could probably do that sometime when we're not in class, and then you'll have it in front of you and then you can point to it. Okay, so here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, I'm going to change screens with you quickly. And hopefully this will look familiar to you. Okay, there we are. So I want you now to think about sounds. So we have 4 pictures here. We have a picture of a 6, a net, gum, and an igloo. Okay, so I would like for you to point with your finger to the 6. The word 6 starts with the S sound. Now point to the net. The word net starts with the N sound. Point to the gum. The word gum starts with the G sound. And finally, point to the igloo. The word igloo starts with the I sound. Now let's use some other words. Say the word sun. Sun 6, sun net, sun gum, or sun igloo. Point to the picture that starts with the same sound. That's right, sun 6. Say the word in. In 6, in net, in gum, in igloo. Point to the picture with the same starting sound. That's right, in igloo. Say the word girl. Girl 6, girl net, girl gum, or girl igloo. Point to the picture with the same sound. You should have pointed to gum. Girl gum. Say the word nice. Nice 6, nice net, nice gum, or nice igloo. You should have pointed to the picture of the net. Nice net. Start with the same beginning sound. Say the word sick. Sick 6, sick net, sick gum, or sick igloo. That's right, sick 6 have the same beginning sounds. Say the word if. If 6, if net, if gum, or if igloo. Point to the picture that has the same beginning sound. You should have chose igloo. If igloo begin with the I sound. Say the word goal. Goal 6, goal net, goal gum, or goal igloo. That's right, goal gum. Start with the same beginning sound. Try this word, knock. Knock 6, knock net, knock gum, or knock igloo. You got it, knock net. Have the same beginning sound. Okay, let's try sack. Sack 6, sack net, sack gum, or sack igloo. That's right, sack 6. Have the same beginning sound. All right, try the word ill. Ill 6, ill net, ill gum, or ill igloo. That's right, ill igloo. Have the same beginning sound. Game. Game 6, game net, game gum, or game igloo. Game gum have the same beginning sounds. Now try the word knife. Knife 6, knife net, knife gum, knife igloo. You should have chose net. Knife net have the same beginning sound. Let's try the word sock. Sock 6, sock net, sock gum, or sock igloo. If you chose sock 6, you are correct. Let's try the word iguana. Iguana 6, iguana net, iguana gum, or iguana igloo. That one's a little tough. You got it right if you chose igloo. Iguana igloo. All right, 2 to go. Let's try the word go. Go 6, go net, go gum, or go igloo. Go gum have the same beginning sound. All right, last word. No. No 6, no net, no gum, or no igloo. You got it right if you chose net. No net have the same beginning sounds. All right. Now I want us to look a little bit further down on this page at the letters. Let's think about these letters. You have 4 letters today. These 2 are named S. Point to your S. These 2 are named N. Point to the N. These 2 are named G. point to the G. And these two are named I, point to the I. I will say a letter name and I want you to point to the right shape. I'm going to pull my cursor off there so you have a blank screen. Okay, point to the N. You should have pointed right there. Point to the G. Good. Point to the S. Yep, right at the beginning. Point to the I. You got it. That's the I. Let's review the sounds of these letters. These two say S. Point to your S and say S. These two letters say N. Point to the N and say N. G says G. Point to the G and say G. And finally, these say I. Point to the I and say I. All right, now I'm going to say a sound and I want you to try to pick the correct letter. Let's see how many you can get right. I. You should have pointed to the I. N. That's right, it's the letter N. What says S? That's right, the letter S says S. What about G? You got it, G says G. You guys are doing great. Now I want you to think about some words. You have a new word today. It's right here down on the bottom, and that new word is you. The word you is easy to read. The sounds are y, oo, you. There are two sounds, but there are actually three letters, Y, O, U. Okay, so let's try saying that the sounds of the word you. Y, oo. Now put them together and say you. Okay, good job. Now let's go ahead and take a look at all those words, that some of which, well, all of which now we've been practicing. We have of, a, in, is, and you. So I'm going to say a word and I want you to point to the screen and hopefully you pick the right one. Point to the word in. Yep, right there in the middle. How about the word you? Can't trick you guys, that's our new word. Good job. How about a? That one's nice because it's not only a word A, it's also a letter A, so we kind of get a little extra help with that one. How about is? Good job. What about of? Yep, right there at the beginning. You guys are doing a fantastic job. We're almost done for today. Now I want you to think about a sentence. This sentence on the bottom says, you are doing great work. You are doing great work. Now let me show you how to read it. I'm going to point to each word with my pointer, and I'm going to say the word out loud and touch it with my pointer. See if you can use your finger to point along on your screen and say the words with me. You are doing great work. All right, guys, one more time. You are doing great work. What I would love for you to do today is I'd love for you to take that word you, Y-O-U, and practice making some sentences or even saying some sentences in English using the word you. All right. Well, this ends our first class today. I hope everybody's doing well. We're going to come back again tomorrow. Remember, if you have time today, write out your alphabet, your ABCs on a piece of paper, the capital and the lowercase. And then that way you'll have something to point at. The other thing you can do is you can bring a piece of paper and pencil with you so you can jot down some of these new words that we're learning. And I would love for you to share with everybody if you're able to write some sentences. So we'll try to have some time to do that. And I'm also hoping we're going to get to read some books together soon. I miss you. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Have a great day.